The commercially available antifungal drops in my country are netamycin drops, and no other antifungals are available. So sometimes we have to prepare fluconazole, voriconazole, or amphotericin B drops for some kind of resistant resistant fungal infections. So here I am showing you how to make amphotericin B drops. Even the injection which comes with the name Fungizone, and it contains 50 milligrams, it's very rarely available in the market, and you have to search it. So we have got 50 milligram powder of amphotericin B. So first you have to mix 10 ml of distilled water in the injection vial. Like here I am using a 5 cc syringe. You can use 10 cc syringe, and once you can fill 10 ml syringe and then put it in injection vial. So that will give you 50 milligrams in 10 ml of distilled water. And then you have to take a bottle of artificial tears of 7 ml. Like if you get a 10 ml bottle, you have to remove 3 ml from that artificial tears bottle. If you take 15 ml bottle, you have to remove 8 ml from that bottle. So in 7 ml of artificial tears, you then have to put 3 ml of this amphotericin B solution. So that will give you 0.15% concentration of amphotericin B, which is the topical dose of amphotericin B for resistant fungal infections of the eyes, especially cornea. And the loading dose is high, so you start it 2 hourly or 1 hourly for 1 to 2 days, and then you taper off. And you have to refrigerate that, and ideally it should be used within 7 to 10 days, but you can use it up to 2 weeks. So that was a video of how to make amphotericin B topical drops from injection. I hope you have got it. Thank you very much.